guys, today's another vlog. I was just gonna do an update for today. Sorry if the screen is small again like yesterday's and I look like I got punched in the face. I didn't. I did some makeup. But I'm trying to clean my ugly room. As you can see, it's like so dirty. So I'm just starting to clean it, and I don't know how to update you guys and like edit. So if like you know how to edit like videos and stuff and make clips and stuff for a video and stuff, please let me know, because I don't, and I'm watching SpongeBob, but I don't really know how to edit that well. That's why yesterday, like when I stuttered, like if I did stutter, I don't know if I did or not, but yesterday's movie was so good. If you guys haven't seen the movie Drumline, you need to watch it because it's so good. I love that movie. So yeah, so I have to put up some clothes. I don't know if me and my mom are baking a cake today, if we're gonna clean our car. I don't know what we're doing yet, but I have to put quite a bit of clothes away. And I probably am gonna make a video for later. I'm gonna try to do a full week of videos for you guys, but I'm not sure. But I might do a part 2 vlog later on in the day, if you guys want to see my clean room and stuff, because that's what I'm probably going to be doing that next thing. And it looks so pretty outside, so that's why I want to clean my mom's car, and I'll just do an update of vlogging on that, let you guys watch this. If I know how to time lapse, I could do a time lapse. Yes, I'm going to post that. I was cleaning her car and just see me, because I'm probably going to be in my bathing suit, but I'm probably going to have a shirt over it because, I don't know, I didn't really know what to do. I'm videoing on my phone because that's why the screen's so small, probably. But let me know if you know how to like edit videos and stuff. Let me know, because I tried doing iMovie and it just doesn't work out too well. And I had to make storage to make this video. I had to delete all these really cute pictures that didn't even mean anything to me off my phone to make this, but that's okay. That's part of being a YouTuber, right? Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I've never been one. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a part 2 vlog. There's probably gonna be 3 parts to this. 3, not 4, 3. I'm not good at putting a 3 up the same, but I am gonna try my hardest to get some more videos up today. And if there's not a part 2, then the part 2 will go up tomorrow, so the part 3. But I think I am going to put up a time lapse and another video up today. So just get ready for that. I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. And if you enjoyed this little catch up thing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, go follow all my social medias. Bye!